Want to unlock the power of teamwork within Aisensy and streamline your workflow? First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Settings section. This is typically found in the lower left corner of the screen or within your profile menu. Within Settings, locate the Team Members or Users option. Click this to manage who has access to your Aisensy account. Here, you'll see a list of existing team members and an option to add a new one, usually labeled Invite User or Add New Member. Click on that button. Now, enter the email address of the team member you wish to add. Next, and this is important, carefully select their role. Aisensy offers different access levels, such as admin, editor, or viewer. Admins have full control. Editors can modify content but may have restricted access to certain settings, and viewers can only see data without making changes. Choose the role that best suits their responsibilities. Once you've entered the email and selected the role, click Send Invitation or a similar button. An invitation will be sent to the new team member's email address. The invited team member will receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation and create their own Aisensy account linked to your team. You'll see their status as pending until they accept. Once accepted, their status will change to active, and they can start collaborating with you in Aisensy. Remember, you can always adjust permissions later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully granted access to Aisensy.